My dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. In previous class, we have studied two important reactions beta. One is hydroboration oxidation and one more is nothing but oxymercuration and demercuration reactions. So now in this class, we are going to discuss some of the objective questions from hydroboration oxidation and oxymercuration demercuration reactions beta. And also I am going to discuss about the from Grignard reagents how to prepare the alcohols. Right, let us go for first of all objective questions. They are very important. Right, here I have given one of the structure and you suppose this is nothing but alkene. Alkene upon hydration in presence of dilute H2SO4, what will be the product? Alkene upon hydroboration oxidation reaction, see the reagents carefully, boron THF, H2O2 and alkali. What nana? This is nothing but HBO reaction. And mercuric acetate reaction with water, sodium borohydride, mercuration and demercuration is this is the reaction nana. Right. First of all, addition of water in presence of dilute H2SO4. Simply we have to follow the Markovnikov rule. In addition of water, H given to the first carbon and OH given to the second carbon. I told you beta, be careful, try to remember. So what I told you, in presence of dilute H2SO4, in normal hydration process, we can do rearrangement. So from here, one hydrogen will be there, we can shift this hydrogen here nana. Now once again I am going to tell you, water molecule contain H plus and OH minus, we have to follow the Markovnikov rule. Now H is given to the last carbon, CH2 becomes CH3, double bond becomes single bond, but we are getting only secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation we can convert into tertiary, okay na, secondary carbocation we can convert into tertiary carbocation after rearrangement. In normal hydration rearrangement is possible. So now we are getting finally what nana? After migration of hydrogen, after shifting of hydrogen, we are getting a tertiary carbocation. Now the tertiary carbocation going to be attacked by OH minus as per Markovnikov rule. So what will be the product? Same thing nana. S here, CH is there. CH के ऊपर hydrogen shift कर रहे, we are getting CH2 to that first carbon we are giving H. So CH2 become what nana? CH3. This position going to be attacked by OH. We have to say that it follows the mechanism is rearrangement process. यहाँ पर apply कर दिए. But in hydroboration oxidation, no more rearrangement. And hydroboration oxidation follows which reaction? Anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov means one alcohol, two alcohol, one alcohol means upon first carbon we are getting OH. To that second carbon we have to give the H nana. So like this we are going to be get nana. OH is connected to first carbon because of anti-Markovnikov rule. No more rearrangement, and that too we are getting the product is nothing but one alcohol. And this is nothing but oxymercuration, demercuration. It follows Markovnikov rule, you know very well. So यहाँ पर H add करना, यहाँ पर OH add करना, no more rearrangement and nothing. So mercuration, oxymercuration में direct product लाना. H upon first carbon, OH upon second carbon. H upon first carbon, CH2 becomes CH3 and OH upon second carbon. So here also no more rearrangement, nothing. We are getting the product is nothing but two alcohol. So in hydroboration oxidation, one alcohols, anti-Markovnikov rule. In HBO, two alcohols, Markovnikov rule. Here HBO, and in oxymercuration, demercuration, no more rearrangement. But in normal hydration, rearrangement will be there. I hope you understand. Let us go for same question nana. Is normal hydration, H यहाँ पर add करना पड़ेगा, OH यहाँ पर add करना पड़ेगा. But this is nothing but unstable secondary carbocation. So here, यहाँ से अपन क्या कर सकते हैं? We can shift one hydrogen here. Again, this is nothing but benzyl carbocation. It was highly stable. So इसके ऊपर अपना OH add करना पड़ेगा बेटा. Right. So this is nothing but benzene group, pH connected to CH. Benzyl carbocation is more stable after rearrangement. So this going to be attacked by what is the group? OH group. Again bonded to what beta? CH2. Again bonded to what nana? CH3. Here we did rearrangement. Right. Next, hydroboration oxidation, no more rearrangement, directly addition of water, anti-Markovnikov rule. So H given to OH given to the first carbon. So benzene bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH2, bonded to OH. OH position is 1. So here oxymercuration and demercuration, here we have to add the water, but as per Markovnikov rule, H given to first carbon, OH given to second carbon, no more rearrangement and nothing beta. No more rearrangement and nothing. So we have to say that H given to first carbon and OH given to second carbon. So this is nothing but pH group, benzene group. Benzene connected to what is the group nana? CH2, and CH will be attacked by OH as per Markovnikov rule in case of oxymercuration and demercuration, and H is given to CH2, CH2 becomes CH3. Same type of questions both are. And this is homework to you. See the structure clearly. Same questions I have given in notes also. So this is homework to you. In that same manner you have to solve these questions. Find x and y and z. Like this you have to be followed. So normal hydration, Markovnikov rule and rearrangement. HBO, addition of water, anti-Markovnikov rule. Oxymercuration, demercuration, addition of water as per Markovnikov rule. In HPO, in OMDM, no rearrangement, but in normal hydration, we have to do rearrangement. I hope you understand clearly, beta. Let us go for third preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX. Alkyl magnesium halides. In previous chapter we have studied very well, Nana. Okay, what is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX. What is the meaning of RMgX? Alkyl magnesium halides are known as Grignard reagents. Now by using Grignard reagents, how to prepare the alcohols? Right. Statement, 3 statements. Already I hope I may told you this statement all clearly in first chapter also. Let us go for once again, Nana. Grignard reagents, 3 cases, be fixed in your mind. Grignard reagents on reaction with formaldehyde, CH2O, or we can say HCHO as you wish. Grignard reagents on reaction with formaldehyde in presence of THF and followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium, it gives the product is nothing but primary alcohol. Again same thing, beta. Grignard reagents on reaction with other aldehydes and followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium, it gives what is the alcohol? Their secondary alcohols. Now Grignard reagents on reaction with what, beta? Ketones, again followed by hydrolysis, it gives the product is nothing but tertiary alcohols. So one short form, formaldehyde gives primary alcohol, other aldehyde gives secondary alcohols, and all ketones gives tertiary alcohol. Once again clearly, Grignard reagents on reaction with formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis, it gives primary alcohol. Only formaldehyde will give primary. Remaining all other aldehydes, acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde, propanaldehyde, except formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes upon hydrolysis, followed by hydrolysis, they will give what as secondary alcohol. And all ketones on reaction with Grignard reagent and followed by hydrolysis, they are getting what, beta? Tertiary alcohols. For these 3 statements, I am going to give you 3 different reactions. Okay, beta? Right, let us go for first one. Okay, let us go for first one. In that, I want to say that, for suppose, right, Nana? Yeah, state 1. Grignard reagents on reaction with what? Formaldehyde. Okay, Grignard reagent is first one. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX. RMgX on reaction with what? Formaldehyde, HCHO, or we can say that CH2O, or we can say that CH2 double bond O. This is also right, beta. Right. And addition of formaldehyde to Grignard reagent takes place in presence of THF, tetrahydrofuran. So this is the formula of what, beta? Grignard reagent undergo reaction with which compound, beta? Formaldehyde, and it gives a product is nothing but what I told you, alcohols. I mean intermediate form hoega pehle. So as compared to carbon, here oxygen contain more electronegativity. So this pi bond goes to be shifted towards the oxygen, and here carbon contain the charge plus, O contain the charge minus. And in Grignard reagents, magnesium is there, metal. So metals having the charge is plus, and this is R group carbon contain charge negative, electronegative charge. So like that we have to be mentioned clearly. Now negative going to be adducts upon positive, and positive going to be adducts upon negative, double bond becomes single bond. Negative going to be adducts upon positive means R bonded to CH2. This is the addition intermediate product we are getting, Nana. Double bond becomes single bond. O charge is nothing but minus. Minus going to be attacked by plus. What is plus? MgX we are getting, Nana. ये तुम्हारा intermediate compound form होएगा. Followed by what is the second step here? Hydrolysis. So hydrolysis means addition of water takes place in which medium, beta? Acidic medium. Upon addition of water means upon hydrolysis, bond going to be cleavage between carbon to oxygen. Again carbon contain charge plus, plus will accept the OH minus. So we have to say that the product is nothing but R bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH. R bonded to CH2, CH2 contain plus, it will accept the OH minus, and O contain minus, minus will take the H plus. So we have to say that MgX O minus, it will take H plus from the water. So the byproduct is nothing but MgXOH, means the byproduct name is hydroxy magnesium halide. Hydroxy magnesium halide. OH bonded to carbon, carbon bonded to only one more alkyl group. So this is nothing but which alcohol beta? Primary alcohols. Primary alcohols. Okay. Up एक बार statement. Grignard reagents on reaction with formaldehyde in presence of THF and followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium, it gives what, Nana? Primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. So for each and every reaction I will show you the examples later. Otherwise, if not possible, you can see directly in fair notes, Nana. But you remember, Grignard reagents on reaction with formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis, always we are going to get the primary alcohols. Right, let us go for B statement. Again same thing, Grignard reagent. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX. Grignard reagent. Again Mg contain charge plus, R group contain charge minus, undergo reaction with other aldehydes. I am not saying formaldehyde, except to formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes we can consider. So the formula is nothing but R bonded to CHO, or we can say CH double bond O, no problem. So this is the formula of other aldehydes, we can say, Nana. Why I am saying other aldehydes? Because of we should not consider formaldehyde, Nana. So Grignard reagents on reaction with other aldehydes, reaction taking place in presence of supporting solvent, or we can say base in presence of THF, Nana. Again, as compared to carbon, oxygen contain more electronegativity. Pi bond goes to be delocalized towards the oxygen, and here carbon carries charge positive, and here oxygen carries the charge is nothing but negative. So again same thing, negative acts upon positive. But यहाँ पर भी R, यहाँ पर भी R, you may get some confusion. To avoid that, we have to be right here simply R prime. So R prime bonded to CH. I am writing as it is here. And CH charge is nothing but positive. Positive carbon going to be attacked by negative species. That is nothing but R. Okay. Positive attacked by negative, like this. Next, double bond becomes single bond. Again here also we are getting the intermediate OMgX. Right, Nana. So followed by it upon hydrolysis. Hydrolysis taking place in which medium? Acidic medium. Upon hydrolysis, bond going to be cleavage, bond going to be break in between carbon and oxygen, because of as compared to carbon, oxygen contain more electronegativity. Right, Nana. So same thing, again water contains OH minus and also water contain H plus. So CH contain charge plus, plus के ऊपर क्या ऐड करना बेटा? माइनस. सो अपनी OH को यहाँ पर ऐड करना पड़ेगा. R prime bonded to CH. CH above plane, already R group is there. Now carbon contain positive means attacked by what, Nana? Negative. That is nothing but OH2. OH connected to carbon. Carbon bonded to another two alkyl group. So this is nothing but which alcohol beta? Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Remaining MgXOH means again we are getting the same byproduct. That is nothing but hydroxy magnesium halide. Hydroxy magnesium halide. Let us go for statement once again. Grignard reagents on reaction with other aldehydes except formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis, they will give what is the product, Nana? Secondary alcohols. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol, other aldehyde gives secondary alcohol. For this also example you can consider. Okay, now already I will tell you later, Nana. Shall go for continue third one. Again same thing beta, RMgX. Means Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents on reaction with what I told you, ketone. R bonded to C, R bonded to C double bond O, again bonded to R. कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, R ऊपर नीचे लिख सकते हैं, ऊपर लिख सकते हैं, ऐसे विश नाना. So this is nothing but Grignard reagent on reaction with what is the compound? C double bond compounds are nothing but ketones, and reaction taking place in presence of what, Nana? THF. So in presence of THF, this pi bond goes to be shifted towards the oxygen. Carbon carries charge plus and O carries charge minus. And to avoid the confusion, here R, here is R prime, here also R prime. R prime means this R groups are belongs to ketone, and here R is belongs to Grignard reagent. यहाँ पर R, Mg contain what plus. Again same concept, minus attacks upon plus. C contain already two R prime groups. And C charge positive, that's why it's going to be attacked by what, Nana? R group from the Grignard reagent. Right side double bond becomes single bond. Again O attacked by MgX as it is Nana. Followed by, it is also addition intermediate. Okay, we are getting the followed by what? Hydrolysis. Upon hydrolysis in acidic medium, bond going to be cleavage between carbon and oxygen. Again water molecule contain H plus and OH minus. OH minus given to central tertiary carbocation. So we have to say that R prime bonded to C, above plane B R prime, below plane B R, and it is going to be attacked by what is the group Nana? OH. They are taking from the water molecule. Next H plus combines with OH, so that is nothing but again we are getting the same byproduct Nana. MgXOH means here the byproduct is nothing but hydroxy magnesium halide, but OH connected to carbon, carbon connected to 3 more alkyl groups. So this is nothing but what beta? Tertiary alcohol. Which alcohol? Tertiary alcohol. I hope you understand clearly. Once again I am going to say clearly, listen carefully beta. Grignard reagents, final conclusion, A, B, C, 3 cases में 3 different. Grignard reagents on reaction with formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis, it gives primary alcohol. Second case, Grignard reagents on reaction with other aldehydes and followed by hydrolysis, it gives secondary alcohol. Grignard reagents on reaction with ketones and followed by hydrolysis, it gives what? Tertiary alcohols. Final conclusion, formaldehyde gives primary alcohols except formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes they will give the secondary alcohols, and all ketones they are going to give the tertiary alcohols. Okay, examples I will send you through the notes Nana, but यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक बार बता देता हूँ, सुनो. R replaced by CH3, R replaced by CH3, R replaced by CH3 means methyl magnesium bromide. Example, methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide on reaction with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis. What I told you, R replaced by CH3 now, methyl magnesium bromide. Here also R replaced by CH3. So CH3, CH2, OH means you are getting ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. All replaced by CH3, R replaced by CH3, CH3, CH2, OH. You are getting ethyl alcohol. वो भी क्या बोल सकते हैं? Primary alcohol. Right. Here also R replaced by CH3. Second example. CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide reacts with, here also R replaced by CH3. Both the R replaced by CH3 means this is acetaldehyde. CH3 MgBr, CH3 bond CHO. This is nothing but acetaldehyde. Again both are replaced by CH3. CH3 bond CH, again bonded to CH3, bonded to OH. This is nothing but you are getting isopropyl alcohol. Both the R replaced by CH3, isopropyl alcohol, secondary alcohol. Again R replaced by CH3, R replaced by CH3. You suppose all R alkyl groups, all alkyl groups, they are going to be replaced by CH3. Here also all alkyl groups, they are going to be replaced by CH3. CH3 means we are getting tertiary butyl alcohol. So here this is ethyl alcohol and this is nothing but isopropyl alcohol and this is nothing but tertiary butyl alcohol. In that way we can prepare different types of examples. Okay, right. Okay Nana, is from Grignard reagents I want to say one objective point, very important. That is nothing but first point, Grignard reagents on reaction with, this is called oxirane formula, or we can say epoxide. Its group name is nothing but what beta? Epoxide. Be careful, very important. Grignard reagents on reaction with oxirane, or we can say epoxide, same thing, and followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium, it gives the product is nothing but primary alcohol. Objective point of view, it was very important. Okay beta, right. Objective is second one I want to show you. Same thing, Grignard reagents undergo reaction with, here I am going to consider 3 reagents. One is nothing but ester. And also we can consider one more reagent, that is nothing but acid halide, or we can say one more compound, acid anhydride, and last compound also we can consider, that is nothing but acid halide. Again same thing followed by hydrolysis taking place in acidic medium, but here we are getting the product is nothing but tertiary alcohol. These 2 points are important for objective. Once again, Grignard reagent on reaction with oxirane, or we can say epoxide, followed by hydrolysis gives primary alcohol. Grignard reagents on reaction with esters, or we can say on reaction with acid anhydrides, or we can say on reaction with acid halides, followed by hydrolysis gives what, Nana? Tertiary alcohols. In first reaction, we required 1 mole of Grignard reagent. Here also we required 1 mole of Grignard reagent, but in second case, in case of esters and in case of acid anhydrides and in case of acid halides, here we required 2 moles of Grignard reagent. This point was very important. I hope you understand. Yes. Can I show you one example for that first category? What I told you, Grignard reagents on reaction with epoxide, or we can say that what, Nana? Oxirane, that gives the product is nothing but what I told you, primary alcohol. Okay, first one, Grignard reagent. The formula is nothing but R Mgx. Mg charge is what? Plus, and R charge is nothing but minus. Undergo reaction with epoxide like this, Nana, and reaction takes place in presence of what, Nana? THF. In presence of THF. This is nothing but oxirane, or we can say that epoxide. As compared to carbon, oxygen contain more electronegativity, and due to more crowding, small ring, it contain repulsive forces, crowding forces. So automatically ये bond को delocalize कर सकते हैं. And this carbon contain plus and O contain minus. अब minus के ऊपर plus, plus के ऊपर minus. R bonded to CH2, CH2O. R bonded to CH2, CH2O minus. R bonded to CH2, R bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to. O contain minus, minus attacked by plus. So we can say that O, Mg, X, again same thing, intermediate, followed by what, Nana? Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis in what? Acidic medium. Is bond going to be break here, and we are getting the product is nothing but R bonded to CH2, again bonded to CH2. From water molecule we can take OH group. So this is nothing but OH. So we have to say that this is also nothing but primary alcohol. Again byproduct is same, MgXOH, hydroxy magnesium halide. So Grignard reagents on reaction with oxirates followed by hydrolysis, they will also give primary alcohol. So from Grignard reagents we can prepare alcohol by using how many steps? 2 steps. Number 1, Grignard reagents on reaction with formaldehyde, primary alcohol. Grignard reagents on reaction with oxirane, it also gives what, primary alcohol. Tertiary कितने methods? 4 methods है, Nana. Grignard reagent with ketone, it gives tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent with ester, Grignard reagent with acid anhydride, Grignard reagent with acid halide, again followed by hydrolysis, they will also give what, ketones. But these 3 are very important for theory cum objective. These 2 are important only for objective. Clear notes is there, I will send you through the WhatsApp, Nana. I hope you understand. In next class we are going to discuss the preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds. Okay, beta.